What's going on YouTube? As you can see, we're up in the gym right now. A new gym, by the way. I've actually never recorded at this gym. I just started going here, but anyway, we're up in here, man. We're about to go ahead and hit legs, and as you know, your boy mainly focuses on compound movement. So on leg day, we know that we're hitting the squat. Now, if you've been following me on this channel or either on my Instagram, you'll see that I hit about 375, 395 on the barbell back squat, kind of clean. I tried 405 at the end of the year, like the last day of the year last year, 2020, and I failed it. Not too bad, but I just feel like it's time to switch things up because I keep on trying to take this approach where I'm trying to progressively overload just the barbell squat only, and eventually if I keep on doing that, you know, I'll hit it eventually. But I feel like maybe it's time to switch things up and power up the muscles that's actually gonna increase my squat. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through what I'm gonna be doing for the next about 4 weeks. I'm gonna switch up my leg day programming just a little bit. I'm gonna go for more functional movements that I feel are gonna increase the strength in my legs. So by the time I try to work my way up to increasing my actual barbell back squat and hitting 405, I'll have a little bit more strength in my legs to do it. And if this approach doesn't work, I'm gonna have to wait probably sometime till the end of this year, because as you know, your boy's about to lean back down in time for competition season, and I actually want to do it a little bit early. But enough of that talking. I'm going to go ahead and take you in the gym and show you the workouts that I'm going to be doing, and I'm also going to throw in a commentary just explaining what I'm doing and why. So here we go. What's going on, people? Welcome to a new commentary by your boy. So we're going to actually get straight into the workout now. With first exercise that we're doing is the hack squat. Now we do this forward and backwards. As far as me doing it, how I'm doing it now, facing forward, this probably simulates the back barbell squat the most, and it is really true to the weight that I can probably do on the back barbell squat. As you can see, I only have 3 plates on here. You know, I'm trying to just get as deep as possible, just simulate that movement and just get some reps in, man, some time under tension. And once I do that, which that is really mainly for my quads, I reverse around the other way like you see me doing here, and I typically feel this way, this variation, more in my hamstrings, and I'm able to actually load up more weight on, you know, doing it facing backwards. I don't even know why that is. It's probably just body position, the angle, the way it's angled. But like I said, I like to do it frontwards and backwards. I feel frontwards in my quads, I feel the backwards in my hamstrings, and we're just trying to simulate that barbell squat, and that's our first movement done. Second, we move on into the leg press. Now, nothing really revolutionary here. Everybody knows the leg press is a leg press, but the way I do the leg press as a part of this workout split is, as you can see, my feet are closer together. I like to do a little narrow 10 reps first, followed by a wider 10 reps after that. Now, just like what I just did with the hack squat, when I have my feet close together, you're gonna feel that more in your quads. Then as you saw, I just opened up my stance. I knock out another 10 reps, and this is very painful, by the way. It takes a lot of grit to get this thing done, but I feel this opened up more in my hamstrings. Like I said, we do that for about 3 to 4 sets. That's our second movement done already. Now, this next movement right here, this next machine, I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. I don't even know the name of this machine, and this is actually my first time doing it. I just decided to make it a part of this split. A lot of people, they, you know, search for the perfect workout split. I like to do practical things that I feel like are going to help me to get towards my goal. Like I said, I don't know the name of this machine, but just the logic behind it. Just getting deep, as you can see me getting deep and coming about the hole. I like to think of myself actually doing the squat and going down. And, you know, when they say you're in the hole, like when you're doing a squat, you know, just that force it takes to stand your ass up. That's pretty much what I'm working on here. Just time under tension, the resistance, you know, I'm feeling it in my quads and my hamstrings, my entire lower body, and I'm just trying to, you know, push myself to my limit and just overload my legs and put in that work. So if you know the name of this machine, comment down below. I would appreciate it so I know what the hell I'm doing. But that's our third workout right there. We're done and we're moving on. Now, our last movement is going to be a superset. Now, as you can see, I got the dumbbells and we're doing a bit of a single leg lunge. We're not really stepping with it. We're just going to keep that leg extended, and we're just going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. We're going to work the hell out of these legs, man. Really to failure, but about 10 to 12 reps each leg, you know, with this, I guess I can call it a lunge, and you're going to really feel this in the quads. And then after we do that, we're going to move on to that barbell right there. As you see, we got it loaded already, and we're just going to do some RDLs. Now, if I was on like the bodybuilding tip and my goal was to like build my body, I wouldn't do these movements because this would be too taxing. I would have done the knee extension instead of the lunge, and I would have probably did the hamstring curl instead of this what I'm doing right now. But I want to do more functional movements because that's going to help me build more strength, and it's going to help me get to my goal to have stronger legs. All right, guys, so that's the workout. Like I said, I'm gonna be sticking with this programming for about the next 4 weeks, and then from there I'm gonna, you know, get back into the barbell squat just to try to work my way up to trying to hit 405 by mid to late February. But like I said, if that doesn't happen, then we're just gonna scrap that whole project, and you know, we'll probably get back on that in the fall. But if you did like this video, if you found some type of value in this video, if you could just take a second and give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be throwing more fitness videos in the mix. Hopefully we can get to uploading weekly. So yeah, just ride with the kid, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace out, baby.